functional group for class 12. You know that in your syllabus there is several functional group as for alcohol, aldehyde, amine and carboxylic acid, etc. etc. So today I will show you only the confirmatory test for three functional group: alcohol, aldehyde and ketone. And only those confirmatory tests I will show you that involves colors. As for example, you know that esterification is one of the confirmatory tests for alcohol group. But esterification you have to smell. So today I am not showing you the esterification. Rather I am showing you iodoform test for the alcohol group. Let's start. You know that ethanol. What is the formula of ethanol? It is CH3CHHOH. And you know that this is the group which shows the iodoform test. And also acetone, CH3C double bond O, and this is known as methyl ketone group. This methyl ketone group, this is methyl ketone group, and this methyl ketone group also show iodoform test. So we can confirm the two group by iodoform test. I am showing you. First of all, I am taking little amount of ethanol in the test tube. This is sodium hydroxide solution. I am adding to it. So I am adding few beads of iodine to it, and now I have to warm it into the water bath. After sample, yellow PPT of iodoform. So this is the yellow PPT of iodoform, clearly visible, students. So this is the confirmatory test for this group or that group. I have done with this ethanol. With this ethanol, this also can be done with acetone. So later I will show you with acetone. Now confirmatory test for acetone. The same iodoform test. I have taken acetone in test tube and added few drops of sodium hydroxide solution. Now I am adding iodine in small quantity, and the yellow color appears, and continuously shaking it till yellow color remain. If yellow color disappear, then again we have to add iodine. So after 10 minutes, when yellow color persists, I will add water to it. Let it stay for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, yellow precipitate will be observed. Yellow precipitate will be observed, and this is the yellow precipitate of iodoform. So the methyl ketone group in acetone is confirmed. So it is acetone. In acetone there is methyl ketone group which gives the iodoform test. So it is the confirmatory test for acetone. Next, confirmatory test for formaldehyde. So formaldehyde, the formula is CHO. It contains the aldehyde group. As students will know, the Tollens test and the Fehling's test are the confirmatory test for aldehyde group. So what will be the observation? When this aldehyde will be treated with Tollens reagent and the mixture is heated in water bath, silver mirror will be visible. And when formaldehyde mixed with Fehling's A and Fehling's B solution, you know that Fehling's A is copper sulfate solution and Fehling's B sodium tartrate solution. Both are mixed up, and this is known as Fehling's solution. When formaldehyde reacts with Fehling solution and then heated, it gives red precipitate of cuprous oxide. Next, okay. So I am taking few amount of formaldehyde. I am adding Fehling's A and Fehling's B solution one by another. Then this mixture is heated. After heating, we'll get the red PPT. The red PPT will be observed, and that is the confirmatory. That red PPT confirm that it is aldehyde, and we are doing test with the compound we have taken is formaldehyde. Okay, next. Yes, again we have taken a little amount of formaldehyde and Tollens reagents is added to it. Tollens reagent. Tollens reagent is the ammoniacal solution of silver nitrate. Okay, and this is heated in the water bath. After few minutes, we'll observe the silver mirror. Here the silver mirror is not clearly visible, but it's visible, it's silver mirror. So that is the another confirmatory test for aldehyde group. Enough for today. Thank you, students.